plans.
Successful staff nurse candidates today urged the government and high authorities to expedite the physical verification process without further delay. Speaking to the media, one of the successful candidates, Mary Bahun Marbanyang, urged the government not to delay nor postpone the process, citing their hard work and preparation that led to the success. Marbanyang emphasized that the examination was fair, transparent and competitive. The selected candidates expressed satisfaction with the conduct of examination and look forward to completing the verification process without hiccups.
We request the government to please not to postpone or further delay the recruitment process, but then to to carry on with the physical verification. This is very fair and square. I mean, when we put to this examination and the result, we find that it's very transparent. So yeah, we're happy.